Good afternoon, everyone. I, Aditi Gupta, on behalf of National Cadet Corps of 4 Bengal Girls Battalion, is here to contribute on the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar, which is a Hindi word meaning in English is self-reliant, which also refers less dependency on others or don't be dependent of others. Atmanirbhar Bharat is basically a term formulated at the time of pandemic COVID-19 in India. It is actually the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Sir Shri Narendra Modi ji to make India and Indians self-reliant by starting production of all military items locally. Vocal for local is also integral of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. India is dependent on lots of import from many countries across the world and plays a large amount of bill comparison to export. During the time of pandemic, all the imports and export activities across the world was on hold. Transportation on goods and service were stopped. Then it was very difficult to live without resources as import of goods were not possible due to the termination of transport activities. India faced problems in terms of shortage of hospital beds, PPE kits, COVID test kits, medicine, ventilators, and other necessary respiratory and medical equipments, include the basic supplies of hand sanitizer and N95 masks. We realized that it is the time for us to depend on indigenous innovations, products, and local manufacturing. To fulfill these demands and promote production of these items in the country, our Prime Minister Sir started Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. He defined 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat to boost the economy and to turn difficulties into opportunity. The 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat focus on are economy, infrastructure, system, vibrant demography and demand. The 5 phases of Atmanirbhar Bharat are business including MSMEs, poor including migrants and farmers, agriculture, new horizons of growth, government reforms and enablers. Atmanirbhar Bharat actually means that we are able to produce the products indigenously and what we need and eventually play a large role in the global economy by exporting the surplus products. This was the real version of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The impact of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan can be seen that from zero production of personal protection equipment PPE kits before March 2020, today India has created a capacity of locally producing more than 2 lakhs PPE kits daily and it is growing steadily. Earlier to this, India uses imported PPE kits and pays a lot of money in return. India also developed our own COVID testing kits and number of vaccines are in final stages of trials. In some ways, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is the reinforcement to Make in India. Defense Ministry is now also pushing to make indigenous production of weapons. Thus, Atmanirbhar Bharat vision is a true way to nurture and flourish India's innovations and to make India a global leading country in all items. To make Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan more successful, Indian government has announced bailout packages and support packages to various sectors to increase liquidity in the market. Our Prime announced the economic package along with the various packages. These packages that were released during the lockdown was around 283.73 billion US dollars, which is about 10% of India's GDP. The economic package was expected to provide support and strength to various sections of the country. It will also give the renewed boost to the development journey of the country in 2020 in order to provide the determination of self-reliant India. Labor, land, liquidity and laws have been emphasized in the economic package. One of the most important recommendation of Atmanirbhar Bharat package is that for up to 200 crores of tenders. Now globally tendering is not required. This will be beneficial for Indian companies and its competitiveness will also be increased. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan promotes various innovation and new product development in India. By this, import of India will decrease and export will increase. Thus, in the long run of trade, deficit will reduce. Export promotion will help us save foreign currency and earn more foreign currency. Atmanirbhar Bharat package will help in growing Indian small and medium enterprises and the manufacturing sector will flourish. This program will help in achieving 5 trillion economy version of Indian government. Jai Hind.